Hi, my name is Jefferson Lee M. Harliga and I am to do my Let's Analyze. So using the HR database that you created in the first exam, create a simple application that will insert employee details to the employees table of the same database. You can use whatever programming language you like. Check the columns of the employees table in order to identify the details of the employee that need to be entered into your application. So creating a video to demonstrate my application and show my database in order to check if my program really works. So let's go. So here's my program, my application. So it's in PHP in web. So IT6L, let's analyze. So we can see employee details button in here. So if we click the employee details button, we can go and see the employee details. The first is the ID, which is here. The numbers 100 upwards, then first name, the last name, their email, phone number, when they did hire or hire date, job, and then department and salary. So if we scroll down, you can see the list of the employee details, all of them. So if we click the back button, so we can go back to this page. So let's go to my code. So here's my code, which is the let's analyze. So here, this is the define. So the define page which connects the SQL. So server name is localhost, username is root, no password. Then the DB name or database name is HR. So $sign connect is equal to MySQLi connect underscore connect server, username, password, and database name. So if we can see that if we check the connection, if $sign connect is connected error, which is to die, then it will say that the connection failed. So here we mentioned the $sign connect or the connection error. So let's go to the first page, which is the analyze page. So we can see here we included the SQL, which is the connection, the defined PHP. So here HTML head, this is my style, my body, the a button, and the input. This is the button style. So here we can see that the align center, we divided it, then break line. This is my header. This is the button which says employee details. So if we click the button employee details, we can go to the next page, which is the employee details, all of the employees. So clicking the button, we'll go to the next code, which is the employees. So here we include the defined PHP or the SQL server. Then as HTML, the language is N or English. Then the title is employee details. So this is my style, the body, the table, and the table row and header. So the color white, the button is the white, which is the back. So here the employee details is the header. So the code for the what we say the insert employees to the said employees table of the said database. So it is SQL equals to select employee ID, the first name, the last name, the email, the phone number, hard date, job title, department name, salary, from jobs inner join to employees using job ID, inner join departments using department ID. After that, the result is equal to the connection to the query or the SQL. It will go to the query. If the result is not equal to false, then the result is the number of rows will be greater than 0, then it will say true. So it will echo the table. This is the table. So table border 1, then ID, first name, last name, email, phone number, hire date, job, department, then salary. Then while if the row is equal to result fetch, then it will fetch the, or it will echo the sign in the PHP, which is this table. The employee name ID row, it will get here. This is connected. So here echo table, this is the closing. Else if dili mo or wala siya na accept, then the table will close, and then it will say no results here. If if dili mo sulod yung code, or wala jud siya code, for example. So this is the button, which is the back button. If we click the back here, then it will back. And that's it for my code. This is referred to the first exam, which is this first and second exam. It is connected. If I put buttons here, or I want to put buttons here in the main page or the analyze page, which have the employee details button, I can go to the Asia here, Americas, Europe, and the choices page. So this is also connected. So that's all for my code and my application. Thank you.